Good morning, guys. It's currently 4 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, we just woke up. We're about to drive to the airport and then head over to Maui. So I'll see you guys all in Maui. So we just got here in Maui. We're gonna go ahead and grab something to eat. I believe we're gonna eat at the kitchen. So we're probably gonna have a loco moco there. And then right after, we're gonna go grocery shopping for hopefully the rest of the week at Walmart. Also buy a couple of things over there. So yeah. What's up, guys? So this is coming to the end of our first day here. Not a full day, half day. We did our grocery shopping, we ate lunch. My mom's gonna cook food, but we're gonna try to hit the ocean up right there before the sunset. We got about 20 to 30 minutes. Let me see if I can get some footage. If not, you probably won't see it on the next footage. But yeah, hopefully we could catch something, and I'll try to catch it for you guys. Capture it for you guys. Hi, say hi. Hi. Wave. 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 What's up? Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of our trip here in Maui. My mom is right there. We're gonna get some complimentary breakfast from our hotel. And then we're gonna head over to Lahaina, book some of our activities. We want to do snorkeling. We're not entirely sure yet. Depends how much. We will be swimming in the beach again right after, and then yeah, hopefully we can get some more footage.
So now we're now here at the biggest banyan tree here in Maui. Here you go. This is considered as the biggest banyan tree here, and it is full of different vendors under the tree. All those trees are connected. Beautiful, and it is by the beach back there.
Hey, what's up, guys? We just finished booking all of our activities. Activities officially start tomorrow. And
we're gonna be tired starting tomorrow.
Gonna be tired starting tomorrow. But today we got our day to ourselves, and we're just pretty much gonna go to the beach and just hang out, watch the sunset. Hey guys, we're about to zip line today. We're here at Piholo.
Yeah.
But we have a slight problem. It's raining. It's raining really, really hard. Hopefully it still should be fun. So yeah, enjoy.
It should be more than.
We finally made it!
After 7 courses.
7 different zip lines.
With wind
and rain.
But it was awesome.
Yep. Those guys were awesome as well.
My goodness.
Our tourist guides were awesome.
And hey, what's up guys? So we just finished zip lining and then getting some rest, and now we're heading over to the aquarium, and we're all dressed up like this because we're gonna head to Yep, we're gonna head to Luau right after. So yeah, hopefully we can see some turtles and sharks.
Yeah, they said they have some. Well, if you really want to make sure you want to see turtles, you go to the aquarium. So we're going there.
Hey guys, so we made it here in the luau. Everybody's here, whole family. So yeah, we're just gonna watch the show and hope you enjoy it.